This is a split stance, double kettlebell or double dumbbell deadlift, but we're adding a rotation component in here to deepen that movement out of the hip and strengthen the hip. So typically for our split stance double dumbbell single leg deadlift, it would look like this. Hips come back, we sit into that pocket. Now as I sit into that left pocket, I'm going to let my body rotate a little bit. I am not twisting from the spine. I'm twisting from my hip. So what this feels like, if you were to imagine your pubic bone approximating or pushing towards your inner thigh, my whole pelvis and torso is moving as a unit around my hip joint. That which then would further elongate the tissues here to go through a more eccentric, a longer eccentric load to strengthen, but to also work on deepening that range of motion, right? So what that looks like, again, as I come down, I'm going to try to set the kettlebell on the opposite side, thinking about setting it maybe on the opposite side or in front while the other ones twist around. All while, again, ensuring it's not coming from the back, I'm pivoting around the hip.